Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to test the hardware on any Poco phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, tap on About Phone. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Detailed Info and Specs. Now from here, scroll down and tap on the kernel version a few times until you enable FQC test. Now from here, you can test the hardware of your smartphone, like your SIM card, the SD card, the main mic, the speaker, the headset, the GPS, the Wi-Fi. For an example, we will test the touch panel. Now from here, you can test the touch panel of your smartphone, just like that. And this is how you can test the hardware on any Poco phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.